What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lee Vlogs. Today we got a really dope install. This video is actually going to be sponsored by Extreme Online Store. They reached out to me and they sent me some more seat covers. So we're going to do an install of some new seat covers right now. We have the Bear back to normal, all red right now. They sent me some new ones. So we're going to install those right now, test the fit. So we'll do just a basic review, go over the fit, just see what I think of it. This is a different new design that they're bringing to the market. I'm not sure if it's on their website yet, but we'll be coming to their website very, very soon. But yeah, with no further ado, let's get into the install. Alright, so here are the new seat covers right here. Hexagon style imprint on them. Way more sporty, supercar-ish looking. These are Corvette seat covers, so they're specifically designed for the Corvette, but I believe they make different versions for different cars like the Camaro and other cars. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll have a link in the description to go check out all the different seat covers. But they sent these to me. They wanted me to test them out, make a video for them. So I said, what the hey? Been working with them. They also sent me some other parts that we'll also be doing some reviews on and installs as well. But yeah, these are them. These are all black and I probably won't be keeping these. I did ask that if they could make a red and black version of this. So all red and then with the black stitching and then black piping. So that will probably be coming pretty soon. Whenever their next shipment comes in, they said that they should have something like that available. But for right now, we're gonna go with the all black just for the install and the video. And we'll probably leave it in the car for quite some time until the red ones come in. All right, so since it's really windy outside, we're gonna have to do this inside the garage. First thing first, to install these seat covers is that you need to take off the roof. That's the easiest way to do it. If you try to do it with the roof on, you're gonna have a very difficult time trying to put the top of this part of the seat cover over it, in between the roof. So it's just best to take off the roof. Now that this is off, we're gonna go ahead and just set it off to the side. Hopefully it doesn't crack or break or something. That would suck. All right, so the next thing you wanna do is go down here. Let's move my little control module. You wanna go down here, go to this right here, seat adjustment. Just go ahead and lift it all the way up. This will give your hand a lot more access to slide underneath there. And also make the seat go forward as much as you can. And a little bit of that. Just go ahead and lift this all the way up to get as much access as you can. Okay. Also, if you don't want to install it this way, you can unbolt the seat from the car. However, I'm a lazy fuck and I'm not gonna do all that. So, and it worked out great when I did it before in the other video. The seats never came off, never got loose. Everything felt like it was stitched onto the car when I did it this way. So I'm just gonna stick with this way. It works best for me. And it's less work than unbolting the seat and rebolting it. It's just too much. So I'm gonna do it this way. It's a lot easier. All right, the first part we're gonna start off with is the top half. We're gonna get that all situated, so I'm gonna go grab one right now. All right, make sure that you get the right top portion. These top portions are side specific, so they'll have a slit on either the left or the right side. Since this is the passenger side, that slit is gonna be on the right side. And that's just for this airbag right here, and also this seat adjustment right there. So, simple enough. There also is a zipper slot right there, so make sure that's all the way unzipped. And then you're just gonna fit this right over the top. Pretty simple, boys. All right, so we got this first top part on. I think it looks pretty good. In between here, there's two Velcro straps, one for the bottom portion, and one for the top portion up here. Let's see if I can get a better view for you guys. actually, yeah. So you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about right there. Just make sure you strap those nice and tight. That'll give you a nice, tight, firm, fresh look that looks like these were stitched onto the car. So key point there, make sure those are really tight. Don't forget to do your zipper on the far side for this seat. And then these right here, these are gonna tuck in between the crevice of the bottom portion of the seat and the top, and that's what kind of keeps it all fastened down and not go anywhere. And then also on the back of the seat, there are these hooks right here. Just find somewhere on the seat, underneath the seat, sorry. Find somewhere underneath the seat to actually hook these onto. There's lots of metal bars underneath the seat you can find. It's not that difficult, just find somewhere to hook it onto, and that will also help make the fit and finish look like it's stitched onto the car. All right, so now we're gonna install the bottom portion of the seat, which is probably the more difficult part of this install because you gotta reach your hand underneath the seat, and there's lots of wires and all kinds of stuff underneath there. If you do have gloves, go ahead and throw some gloves on so you don't cut your hands up, but if not, just make do. Shouldn't be too bad. One thing I'll add though, that if you ever plan on removing these seats, it can be kind of difficult and cumbersome, but you know, it is what it is. But if you like the way they look, you shouldn't really need to remove them, right? So anyways, let's go ahead and install the bottom portion of the seat. All right. So bottom portion of the seat comes with these little hooks right here on the back that slide in between the top portion and the bottom portion. And then it comes with one of these little clips that attaches underneath the seat, and then you can tighten it, give you that nice tight, crisp look. And then 2 more hooks for the front part that you can find a nice bar or something underneath the seat to attach it to, and that is all. It's really simple, guys, really, really simple. And these are really good, like quality made seat covers. This is no cheap shit from Walmart. These are, you pay for what you get. Yeah, I believe they're listing them for like 500 bucks, and I would say that they are worth it. So let's go ahead and install this bottom portion. All right, this first seat cover is completely done. I'll do the other one off camera. I just want to give you guys a quick overview of what it looks like once it's installed. Pretty good, pretty fucking good. So you can get these at Kustom Car Cover. I'll definitely have the link in the description below. Definitely click it, check it out, see if you like them. Big shout out to them for reaching out and hooking it up with these seat covers. As always, thank you, Eric, over there at Kustom Car Cover and Extreme Online Store. And then big thank you to you guys, the supporters of the channel, because without you guys clicking and watching my videos, I'm not gonna get sponsorships, nothing like that at all. So big shout out to you guys for clicking subscribe and watching the videos all the time. Definitely helps out the channel and makes it so we can make cool videos like this. But yeah, if you want a pair of these seat covers, definitely reach out to Kustom Car Cover. I'll put the link in the description below. All right, boys, we are complete with the install of the seat covers. Oh man. Definitely feeling these, and I really can't wait to get the red and black version of these. This is dope right now. A little switch up, you know. Never had a full black interior or all black seats in this car, so this is definitely nice little change. Check out the other side. Oh yeah, looking good. Real good detail, nice soft, very soft, comfortable. These are good quality seat covers, guys. Definitely check out Kustom Covers. Get you a pair. They're gonna have some more colorways coming soon. We'll take a little seat test. Oh yeah. These are comfy. Definitely comfy. Woo. Feel good. They feel good on the back. Yeah. But like I said, guys, thank you for supporting the channel. Definitely, without you guys' help, none of this even happens with sponsorships or people reaching out. So definitely thank you for subscribing, watching the videos, hitting the thumbs up. All that stuff matters for the growth of the channel. Big shout out to Kustom Car Covers for sending these out. Shout out to you, Eric, for hooking it up. But yeah, guys, until next time, Lee Vlogs out.